the night in Animal Company Part 2.
Yo,
So
can anybody buy me the blades?
I recorded
Can somebody buy me the
in
blades?
the morning.
Can I have it?
This isn't an
those.
update that they
don't have enough
released.
money.
It's just a
Don't have enough
glitch that helps you, like, get at nighttime in Animal Company. Just don't go. You can go in any map, but just don't go, like, for example, you can go into the sewers and then come back. It will be nighttime. But if you go too far inside sewers, like into zero gravity, and then come back, it will be day. So don't go don't come too far into a map. But look, it's still like it's still nighttime. When I come over here and back. Ooh, I heard spider.
If you want to be in a war, join the code army. If you want to be in a war, join the code army. If you want to be in a war, join the code army.
Over here.
Join the code army if you want to be in a
There's
war.
like a little light right here.
Can I get that, please?
Call this the night.
Guys, who wants to give away? Who wants to give away?
Oh my gosh, this lobby's too loud.
Couch and give me some.
Alright, so yeah, this is Animal Company, but we're spending the night in Animal Company.
Who likes
in-game, not in
corrupting
real
Galaxy DVDs? I have a corrupting Galaxy DVD.
Yeah, I already pushed
That shit.
Stupid
lizard.
Yo, what did he say?
Me, bro. What is it?
Oh no, the lake looks terrifying, bro. And just for you to know, if you die in the game, it'll still be nighttime. Oh, low-key, I kind of want to go further. Oh, yes, Monkey Bluebeard is hopping a line. Let's go. Wait, let me tell him. Yo, bro, don't call me. Just go and pause because I'm making a video. Yo, but like, it looks like nothing. Look at the light on the water. Let's go fishing. Yo, I caught an angler fish. Huh? Yo, chill. It's a no PvP, bro. Wait, I'm floating. That brother's floating. Should I be falling right now? Alright, I'm gonna go into the code applause. You wanna play some Russian roulette? Okay, give me some.
Yep.
Yo, I need to go into a code. Bye, bro. Bye, revolver.
Oh yeah. Ooh, I have a police shield. I love
Bro, I could be team red or team blue. Let's go.
Look at. Who are you? Oh, you're Steve. I already know that.
Alright, if you're wondering why I'm carrying around a flashlight, it's because it's dark in Animal Company. Do you want to know how to make it dark?
Yeah.
Alright, follow me. So, grab 2 pinky broccoli.
I don't own 2 pinky broccoli. Broccoli Congo beanie.
Eat them. Okay, now you're tiny. Alright. Now buy a rocket.
Broccoli crocodile.
Alright, buy a rocket. Alright, follow me. Come into shop. So look. Do you see that the sky's red? So come a little closer. Do you see that the sky's red and black? Aim to the top of tall tree. Now it should be dark.
Broccoli crocodile.
Chill with the brain rot, man.
I just created that broccoli crocodile.
Well, it rhymes with bombardilo crocodilo. Yo, so now it's nighttime.
Now it's broccoli. It's broccoli crocodile.
And look, my favorite part is like this over here. How the computer lights up and like how that TV, like the light of the TV looks right here.
That's just so cool.
Yeah, so like we can like go investigate. Oh, and the forest should be dark as well. So wait, let's
I
get
don't want to go in you.
Let's get prepared. Buy a backpack and a pickaxe. Oh, and this is part 2. I call it spending the night in Animal Company. So, and I also.
I want to get this. I want to get this knife. I want to get this knife with me.
Oh, and I also bought this.
Oh, that's actually good. I bought the RPG stuff.
Yeah,
wait, can I have that? Can I have like?
I don't really need it, so like I don't. It stretches.
Time to reload.
It's like
time to reload.
It's like that one is like stretches shorter than the actual grappler, cause look, the grappler stretches longer, and now look at it's shorter.
I know, that's weird. I don't really care, but yeah. Where in the world? Oh, there it is.
Bro, you literally grabbed a pickaxe and like yeet.
Yeah.
I like to carry my flashlight.
But it's I don't even need this pickaxe because the sword acts like a pickaxe.
Oh yeah, but it's like harder to mine. No wait, don't go in there. Don't go in there. Don't. Oh no, son, bro, you have to see the lake. Come here.
Holy.
It's literally pitch black.
I'm gonna put this in there and oh man.
Stupid. All right.
We should create a series. We should create a series.
Oh yeah, this is part 2. Our goal is to beat every single map through the episodes. Episode 1 I beat sewers, and so look, there's 2 challenges. And there's like 2 challenges. The first challenge is to beat the map. And the second is to at least earn 5K in money.
Bet.
So if you're going ahead to do that, we can go like So
I'm gonna keep my backpack open so I could just do that.
That's stupid. Just close it. That looks weird.
I will sing you. Sing. Oh, it doesn't work.
I don't think that's a PvP. You should keep this grappler in your backpack just in case.
Okay.
Cause that grappler takes like 2 hits or something, but like.
No.
Alright, so the map we're trying to beat today, I'm not gonna make it a hard one. We're trying to beat, which map should we try and beat? Oh, we should try and beat mines. You should look how cool mine spiral looks when it's dark. But we're going
It's gonna
into
look
mines.
the same thing because the
No, it isn't.
stayed.
It's gonna be darker, but we're gonna have to at least earn 5K money in the mines. But the only exit out of the mines, we can't mine any green crystals. The only exit is to go into the lava area. So yeah, looks darker, huh? Look at the. Oh, it's over. Oh no, it's not over here.
kind of looks normal. It kind of looks normal though.
It's like over here somewhere. Yeah, it's over here. But look how cool it looks, like with all the lights and stuff. Look.
They look the same. Wait, what if we try to escape from Planetarium? What if we try to escape from Planetarium?
No, we can't do that.
How is that cheating?
Because you have to eat like 2 broccoli. And we can't like consume anything.
Okay, that's just a goofy y'all rule.
Yeah, but like you have to also escape through lava area. So
okay.
But like yeah, can you like
Crocodile.
where are you?
Over here.
Yeah, we can't mine any of those crystals. Oh my god. That looks terrifying.
Okay, now that's terrifying.
It's just walking around, bro.
Sorry.
Die, mosquito.
Die, mosquito, die.
I'm Captain America. Sing!
Oh, sorry. Hit me.
My pickaxe. Another one. And another one.
And he's dead.
Oh, I can use that lava area. Crossbow.
Tranquilizer. Crossbow and tranquilizer.
Oh yes, the lava area. There's also a lava area. Wait, stand back. I'm gonna shoot the crystals. Tranquilizer popped up behind her. Now we have more room. And now I can actually walk on the lava. Never mind.
How can you walk on lava?
With the crossbow and the pickaxe. But it only works.
Oh.
Yeah, but like it also gets you burnt. Oh my god.
Wait, I could dupe the lava. I could dupe the lava thing, and then we can make so much moolah.
Sure, but like after the video.
Yeah, in our normal gameplay.
No, my backpack. I don't need this stupid crossbow. The crossbow be like
here.
Oh, crap. Turn off your flashlight. Turn off.
Bro, I just had some soft tacos. It was so good.
I told you to turn it on.
No, I'm trying to. I mean, like small tacos. We had small tacos for.
Die. Yeah. Boy.
Die, mosquito, die. I baked
you a pie. Is that copyright?
I don't think so.
Oh, let's go a pie.
It's been out since 2012, I think.
What? Or just mine something. No, my lava crystal. No. What the heck am I doing, bro? There we go.
Oh, I got a research point. Yay! Now I'm one step closer to buying that sword thingy-majig.
The grappler
sword. Grappler. She's back.
No. Oh crap.
Be careful. Where did she go? Where in the world did she go, bro?
She got scared. I scared her.
Bro got scared.
Yeah, that's how freaky I can get. I scared those the anglerfish.
I just heard the fan for like 2 seconds. 2 minutes. Wait, Mateo, I could buy the sword thing. I could buy the sword driver.
It's 5.
To buy another one.
It's 5.
I know. I have enough to buy a research point.
Oh yeah, me too. I just realized. Scooter. Revolver. I got a pew pew.
Yes. Also, I posted a new video.
I'm gonna watch that. Bro, we just need 3 more subscribers. 3 more.
No, you need 2.
Wait, what?
Yeah, you're at 282 or 92. I mean 98,
Is anyone
298.
here?
Get up!
Wait, that might be Cool Whoop It.
Oh, cool, whoop it.
Cool Whoop It, is this you?
No, this is someone else. I'm Ketchy or Mushy, whatever you want to say.
Got her.
Okay.
Where are you?
We're in mines.
Lava area to be exact.
No, not like
Okay.
exactly lava area. So I think it's about time.
Whoa! Whoa! What the heck was that?
I call it Spooter. Rhymes with Greg. I think it does rhyme with Greg. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think I already claimed my daily research points. But
Yeah.
like, I just like to mine them because I think it's fast.
Oh, sorry.
It's fine. I don't really need them. Ooh, scurry.
Chimpanzini, bananini, extra.
I'm above
I
you
don't
guys.
know.
By the
What? Oh, mimic.
Oh, Coda. Coda, how you doing, Coda? I haven't seen you since yesterday.
I like messing with Coda.
Hi, Coda. I haven't seen you since yesterday, bro. It's been so long.
Wait, you have? Yeah. At what time? Wait, did you hear? Did you just?
Oh, revolver ammo.
Who's mining? Oh, what's up?
What's up, buddy?
What's up, buddy? We're trying to like
did you
beat
join?
mines and at least get like 5K at money. What?
Oh, okay. I thought I was.
Ah!
Oh, sorry.
Money talks.
Oh, I didn't get anything.
There's my bag full. I think I can. Yeah.
What if we're dreaming within
So,
a
bro,
dream,
my
so
bag
everything-
is full. Is yours?
No, I haven't even filled it up at all.
What? Okay, bro.
Yeah.
I'm only here for the research points, honestly.
Oh, cool.
How did you
Alright.
find this code, by the way?
Oh, I think I have him added.
Okay.
Yeah, Boltshark has me added, by the way.
JJ, we're trying to get to lava area. Come on. We're like the eye monster.
Oh, there it
Bro,
is. There it is.
come on. What the heck? No, bro, not this lava area. The lava area down like the
No, wait,
nether.
what if we just walk out the way we came in?
No, that's not beating the map, bro. Beating the map is going through the whole thing.
Wait, hold on.
We've beat like half of the map. We have to go down to lava area all the way down. And actually like beat the map.
Oh yeah, have you ever seen the space map? The
Oh yeah, the
planetarium?
moon. Yeah.
What
Yo,
is
bro.
that?
The scooter's here.
I just got damaged by the goofy ass scooter.
Come here, buddy. Die.
I can't
Stop.
reach him. Oh, there he is.
Yeah.
Yo, what is that?
What is what?
That green thing.
Oh no, don't mind it. It will take us all back home.
Oh, okay. I'm trying to get this though.
Yeah. Oh wait, mind some of the. What is he doing here?
Okay, but where is the research points, bro?
Alright, I need to take care of this guy. Thank you.
Broccoli.
Pinata bat, bro. This is actually OP. I wish I had some space in my.
Wait, guys, I found it. I found the lava. I found the entrance to lava area. Or yeah.
Alright, part 2 is gonna be really good, honestly. Yep.
Wait for me.
Yo, bro, wait for my guy.
Okay, I'm here. Looks like I really cannot see.
We turn it nighttime. Yeah, what's that? Like, alright, so
Ooh la la,
I'm not gonna, you guys are gonna go and mine in the lava area while I try and escape because my bag is full. So, I think,
Bro, that's just basically leaving us to die.
where is it?
Yeah, it is.
You know, I should have grabbed the
Well, but like my bag is full and I'm not gonna survive that long. So, because I'm kind of heavy. So look, you guys are gonna mine some lava crystals. I'm gonna escape because I think we're gonna earn more than 5K. And I complete the challenge. So yeah, I'll meet you guys back at home.
Okay.
Crocodile.
Okay, bro.
Where did you go, Bolt?
We went down the tunnel.
Okay.
Sup, humans? Huggy Wuggy be like, dies, comes back to life. Yo, bro, you there?
Yeah, I'm falling down. I was just asking the devs if they could add some.
He was not asking devs, bro.
Wait, where are you?
I see the light.
Are you in this like red place?
We're in the nether.
No, literally, the lava area should be called the Nether. You know what's
Wait, bro.
Are you in like this crawl space?
We were, but like now we're in the nether. So, bro, JJ, I'm gonna go escape. All right, you stay with the boy.
Okay. Please.
Yep, I'm dead. I'm cooked. Oh, I'm not. Okay. Don't jinx it. Boltshark, don't jinx it. Oh, God. Oh, my gosh. Again? No, bro, run! Did you die?
Bro, I'm still alive.
That's crazy. 1,800 million aura plus for Monkey Blue.
Well, can someone come for me, please?
Can't, bro. We're like already at the. We're already at the Nether. Just follow the way that you think is right, and you'll eventually come to it. Okay, come on. Oh, my eyes. Somehow it's already daytime. But I want to sell this nighttime. So first, I want to sell everything in nighttime. So I'm gonna grab everything, chuck it in there. Two pizza balloons and one firework.
There's another hole. Yellow.
Alright, it's officially nighttime. I'm so tiny. Bro, my...
Should I go through this, like, this red... Should I go through this red...
Like something that looks like a heart?
No, it's just a big entrance with a red glow around it.
Yeah, go through that.
Okay, is there any monsters?
No, not until you get into the actual lava area.
I survived 2 more explosion attacks in my backpack.
Alright, just head for that heart.
I'm in like a lava cave or whatever.
Yeah, go to like this heart-looking off thing without dying. It's okay if you die. So yeah. I think we're about to earn more than 5K.
Survived 3. Oh my god!
Ooh, let's go! 5K. I did it. Oh, here comes the boy.
What are the flying things?
The flying things are the lava fishies.
That's all I got because
Bro, you said your bag was full.
yeah,
I
just
literally see an
If we hit 5K, you completed the challenge. But if you didn't, it's fine. You still completed the challenge. Because I got 5K. Yo, what's up? It's fine.
No!
It's fine.
I'm gonna go buy that sleepy jacket.
Alright. So,
What the?
alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Part 3 is probably gonna be coming out tomorrow. Part 1 and part 2. This is part 2. Part 1. Make sure to go, if you haven't seen part 1, go check it out. But part 3 is probably coming out tomorrow. So yeah, see ya.